I'm testing the extra boost for the stabilization. I don't know what that does. I thought this had the horizon lock thing, but I think that's only with an extra lens that you have to add or something. Wide angle lens? I don't know. It's kind of frustrating that you have to buy like another piece to do that, but anyways, I don't think I want that anyways. But I'm going to Smoky Row to hang out with Ian again, because, you know, why not? Of course, Superstar parking is available again, so I'm going to park there. We got to take a look at this Camaro over here. Wow, it's like Batman. Okay, well, I forgot to give my wife her keys. Oh, come on now. I think I saw it might rain also, which is a little bit frustrating. Oh, it is raining over there. Oh boy.
Why are you home? Why are you home? Where?
That's why.
When did you leave?
That's it. Love you, bye.
Wait, when did you leave? Can I pop?
Yeah?
Yeah, why did you come home?
To bring Mom her keys.
Oh, okay. I love you.
I love you. Is it gonna rain?
No, but look, it's glitched.
Oh, sorry, went by. That's usually like smoke from like people burning stuff. Or dust or something. Okay, bye. Love you. Hi. Just dropping off your keys. Okay, bye.
Well, I checked the radar and the rain is not here. It's already gone by. Is that a California plate? I don't think you can just drive down the middle of the road in California. I mean, maybe you can. Uh-oh, this lady's coming up behind me. Don't die. Please don't run into the back of me. She's coming in hot. Here she comes again. Oh, what in the heck are we doing? Does she have a mental problem or what? What the? What the crack? You can't do that. I'm sorry, but I'm just like flabbergasted right now. What? Look. Like what? I just don't know what to say, dude. I just want to watch and see what happens. But I also don't want to die. This is where we need the 360 camera, because I'm assuming you're going to be able to tell she was beside me, but literally passed me in my own lane. I hope it doesn't rain again. I haven't looked at the forecast, but I'm supposed to be driving to lunch here in a little bit. Okay, that was an experience. And I thought nothing was happening. I'm just like, man, this is a boring ride. Nothing's happening.
Well, I was mistaken. There was definitely something happening. This is weird now. there's nobody over here. Come look. Come look. I gotta show you this. Remodeling. Nobody's here anymore. Thought I'd show you. Nobody over here? Nope. Our office has moved. Check this out. Bro. Bro. Why are the lights even on over here? Nobody's over here.
Okay, I gotta go to the bank before I go to lunch. I'll never get to go because the sensor is weight-based, and this guy's gonna turn, so it's not gonna go. That's how I need to start my motorcycle every time. What do you think? Think I should rev it? Think I should rev it every time? Oh! We didn't put up the air ride. You can feel that right away. It's like riding on a brick wagon. 6, 7, 8. Is it illegal to not stop at a stop sign coming out of a gas station? I think my new police sound should be whoop whoop. That's the sound of the police. Whoop whoop.
Whoop, whoop. That's the sound of the police.
I don't think that's Tony's. But I don't know what color his is. Turn you up. Put you in my pocket. This is a Vulcan. Oh, that might be his. That might be his. Stop you. Stop you. Turn you off. Vulcan. Shiny silver. Oh, there we got a police officer.
Sheriff. Community Relations. Sheriff. Polk County. I like that. I like coming to Jethro's and there being some policia in the house.
Oh, you left your key in it?
No, I just put it in.
Oh, I leave mine about half the time.
Did I this time?
No, I didn't. A lot of times I get somewhere and I'm like, where did my key go? Where did my key go? Whoops. Okay, see you later. It's hot out.
It is.
Why?
It's almost August.
Boo.
Hey, at least we can ride.
Yeah, true.